Brad here again today with OMH. We've got our new SLG-108 RB machine out today with the riser box. We've designed a new feeder that goes on the top of this machine with a 3/8 thick rubber skirt that covers the entire screen deck. And what that basically does is traps the material in between the screen deck and that rubber mat, kind of slows it down, controls it, keeps it from being airborne to get some better screening quality. This machine here with the riser box, the vibratory system, and the FEED deflector, you're looking at an even 10,000. It's a 10-foot wide screen deck. The bucket on this 936 that we're using here today is quite wide, wider than most. It's about 9'6", so it's about as wide as you want to go, 3-yard bucket. You can see that you don't have to hurry. I was just running the loader myself there, running around first, second gear, just kind of idling around. We're doing somewhere in around 50 yards an hour of product. You burn very little fuel with your machine because you're just kind of idling around. This machine here at 10,000, 60 square feet of screening surface, 10 foot wide, 6 foot long. As you can see, when we're screening, you have the ability to manipulate the slope of the screen deck. That's something that no other manufacturer is offering, so that if you're in wet material, you can feed it steep to keep the material moving. As you get drier material, you can lay the deck back a little bit, bring that slope down to about 30 degrees to keep it on the deck a little longer. So it's a great little feature. You'll also notice that if you get a lot of material coming out of your bucket very quickly, the deck then absorbs all that weight and that impact, lays itself back, and then as the material screens off, it'll stand itself back up again. Again, it's the only screener out there that has those capabilities. You're looking at 10,000 bucks. If you shop around, there's other machines out there with a 4x5 screen deck that are 9,500 bucks. There's some other companies that have mimicked our old design. They're about 32 feet of square screening surface, and they're in the anywhere from $11,500 to $14,000 range. So when you want to shop and compare, this is the reason we've designed this machine. The simplicity of it, the 2 vibrating motors, uses a little 2,500 watt generator today to run this. You can feed it with a 9.5 foot bucket. You can take it off the riser box, set it down on the ground for skid steers. It's just an extremely versatile, very inexpensive, very simple screening plant. So we were hoping today that you had a chance to take a look at this, see the advantages to it, see how versatile it is. You'll notice earlier when we were picking it up off the trailer and putting it back on with the loader, goes on just a simple little tandem axle trailer, so it's very easy to transport back and forth to the site. We provide lift extensions for it that you can purchase, so you can pick it up and pack it around with the bucket. We started building here back in 2005 and have really made efforts to work with our customers to find out their needs, solve their problems, solve solutions, and do it in an inexpensive way. So at 10,000 bucks, it gives you screening independence, working in good, wet, dry material. You can go down to an 1/8" screen for mortar sand. You can go all the way up to a 4" screen for riprap, 3/4 for soil, 1/2", 3/8. We do a 2" screen that gives you an 1.5" minus in gravel products. So we hope that you really take a close look at this. It's got some huge benefits for the price. Thanks.